I was actually wondering when is this curtain going to open. Can I have some audience light, please, and also this light? Can I have it? Yeah, that's pretty nice. Oh, that's cool. आप लोग सब लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. मुझे तो लगा कि कोई आया नहीं अभी तक. All right, can we clap with huge round of applause? Everyone together. That's pretty nice. Okay, so now please tell me for which show have you all come for? Because यहाँ पे ऐसे सामने देख के लग रहा है कि हम कोई फिल्म का शो देखने आए. Because 4 PM 4:30 बज गए हैं. 4:30 से 7:30 तक का शो होगा. Can anyone tell me हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं? Why have we come here? From the audience. Annual day, absolutely fantastic. किसने कहा? किसने कहा? Thank you, thank you. वो जो मैम बैठी है पीच कलर का उन्होंने ड्रेस पहना है, उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. Okay, for the rest of you, absolutely, this is an annual function of Daffodils, and I welcome you all from heart. And I feel absolutely nice that we are once again here for the annual function of 2 branches. Can you tell me which 2 branches are celebrating their annual function today? कोपर खेलने. Okay. हाथ उठाओ. कोपर खेलने वाले सारे के सारे. ओह और वो वाला या फिर वो वाला. Yeah. Yeah, it's a kind of a little different word. I really don't understand कि थाने म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ने ये वर्ड क्यों लिखा. Because मैं पहली बार इस वर्ड से मुखातिब हो रहा हूँ. So when this word was given, I was like, okay, it sounds like आवला something like that. तो कुछ आवला से शायद कुछ ना कुछ होगा. Anyways, my name is Irshad I Siddiqui, and I have been associated with Daffodils from last 5 years and been doing all their annual functions. It's not that because I'm that good, but it's just that because I have the blessings and the association of our great Ninad ji and Nadi ma'am. Both are kind souls. दोनों के लिए जोरदार तालियां. ये दोनों ही इतने अच्छे हैं कि इनकी छत्र छाया में जो भी आ जाता है वो ऑटोमेटिकली अच्छा हो जाता है. And the best examples are your kids. You must have seen that when you enroll them in Daffodils, how quickly and how nicely and amazingly they're growing, isn't it? They are growing, right? Okay. So now, without wasting much time, हाँ मुझे कुछ याद आ गया. Yeah, you know what? एक बच्चा था. You know, he wasn't getting good marks. He wasn't getting good marks in the exams and all. So then finally what he did is he went to his teacher. Okay. He tapped the shoulder of the teacher. Teacher. Teacher was like surprised. What happened? Then he said, you know what? My father has told me that if you do not get good marks, someone is going to get a spanking. So teacher was like, oh my goodness, am I going to get the spanking? So then she got scared. The other example was, there was a small little girl child, okay? And she went to her mother saying that, mother, you know what? I got a beating in the classroom for not doing something. Then the mother was like, okay, beta, what happened? What was it? क्या नहीं किया आपने जिसके लिए आपको बीटिंग मिली? मॉम मैंने होमवर्क नहीं किया. Like okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna be calling 5 amazing guests to do the lamp lighting, because it is said that when you light a lamp, the entire darkness gets waves away. So for that, we're gonna be calling 5 people. First of all, we all know that I want to call up the director Ninad ji and the other director Nidhi ma'am on the stage. जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिए, everyone. And yes, along with them, the branch heads, okay? Manali Sawant from Omla branch. Poonam Singh ji from Kopar Kherne branch. And do we have Vishali Sawant? She's not come. And what about Nandini Sawant? Okay, we have Mandar Sawant also with us. मंदार जी आपकी मुस्कुराहट बता रही कि आप ही मंदार हैं. Okay. तो चलो अच्छा हो गया, ऊपर वाले ने इज्जत बचा ली. मैंने 5 का नाम लिया था, पांचों हाजिर हैं यहाँ पे. So all these 5 amazing people are going to do the lamp lighting out here. Please जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिए. Thank you. Okay, now you know what? I follow one thing which is like very important, and that is whenever each lighting is done, okay, so that time you need to clap, alright? This is followed by the Saraswati Vandana. Thank you. Awesome.